Hello everyone. Now we're looking at how do we put our wheels and our axles and everything together so that we can get a fully finished CO2 car drawing. Now this is kind of our goal right here. You see I've got my body that I've designed here. I've got the wheels that I've drawn and then the axles. Now if you did like what I did, you only needed to draw one wheel and then we'll figure out how we do that. And then same thing with the axles and all of that. The idea is that we want to get this picture onto our blueprint. So here we go. First thing I will do is I'm going to go to New, File, New. We'll go into English. We want this time an assembly. We've been making parts, but now we want an assembly. So we're going to go to Standard, in.iam right here, and you notice that it kind of has like 3 parts here, making an assembly of those parts. So I go hit create. I've already created this to save time. So next step is we're going to hit place. So I click place, and now I need to find the part that I want to put in there first. So I'm going to grab the car body design that I've made, and I click open. And you'll see that it kind of comes up like this, but it doesn't look quite right. It's almost like see-through. That's just kind of giving you, hey, this is what you're going to do. If I click once, then you'll get an actual part, but then I've got another one that's still kind of see-through. And again, this is if I wanted any more, but I only want one of my car body, so I right click and then I hit OK. Now, I need more parts, so I'm going to hit place again. And I'm going to come through, I got to find my right folder. And I need my axle. So I'm going to need 2 of those, so I click once, click twice, and now I have 2 axles, right click, OK. Click place a 3rd time, and then get my wheels. Click open, and I want 4 of these. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right click, OK. Now, once I have all my pieces, you'll notice I can click on them and drag them and move them around. Also, you notice that when I select one, it turns blue, and then it also highlights it over here. Or if I hover over it on my in my model browser here, you'll see that it lights up. So there are some important things that we want to do. So for example, I don't want my car body to move. So I'm going to go make sure I get that. I'm going to right click on this, and I want to make it grounded. Okay, right there where it says grounded. I want to do that so that it will not move. Okay? Now you see that the wheels move, the axles move, but my car body will not move. So the next thing that I need to do is constrain. This is how we put things together. So remember, constrain is to put a rule or a boundary on it. So we're going to make some rules and boundaries about our parts so that they fit together. If you notice right now, there is no rule or boundary, so the computer doesn't recognize that these are solid shapes. So you see this just will pass right through, and we need to go, whoa, whoa. These need to go together, not go through each other. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my axles, and I'm going to put them, you notice I constrain the center point of that, and I'm going to go to the center point of the hole here, and you'll hear it snap. And that's what we want. I'll go OK. Constrain again. Center point of that to the center point of this. And OK. And now you'll notice it's stuck, but the thing is that it will not stay in the hole. It's just constrained to that line. So next, what we need to do is take my wheel, and I'm going to have to swivel this around. Take my wheel, and this time, come on, I need to move. I'm going to go to this constraint of insert. I want to insert this and this. And you'll see, boom, then my wheel fits onto my axle. Okay. There we go. I'll do it again. Insert here to here. Apply. Insert here to here. And you see this goes really quickly. Oh, gotta hit apply. Now, you'll see one of our problems is that this still moves a little bit back and forth. And when we actually make these, we will make the axles shorter for you so that the wheels don't stick out. But for this purpose, we just learned how to assemble something, and we have this right here. So space them out as best you can to just leave them there, and then we will go to File and Save. Okay, and you'll go Save As, and I've already saved this under Car Assemble. So then the last bit that we need to do is go back to my blueprint. Now, right now, I've had this 3D view of my car print, but I want it with the wheels. So I'm going to come back up to base. I'm going to pick my car assembly. There we go. And now we can look at making. There we go. And I hit OK. Thinking. And so this one I'm going to actually delete view 5. I'm going to click on this, delete that view, and then bring this back down in here. So now you see I've got my car body and my assembly, and this is what your final blueprint should look like. What you need to do is print this out. Once you print it, 3-hole punch it, put it in your binder so that we can take it into the wood shop and make these in the wood shop. Good luck, guys. Thank you.